Hi, I'm Mark Polk with RV Education 101. Today we're going to discuss the correct way to apply lap sealant over old sealants on your RV roof. Periodic roof inspections and maintenance can add years of life to your RV roof, and the good news is it's easy to do. Let's head up on the roof. Safety first. Whenever you are working on the RV roof, exercise caution. A fall can cause serious injury or death. To get many years of reliable service from your RV roof, it's important that you properly maintain it. A major part of roof maintenance is inspecting the roof sealants periodically. If there is a way for water to penetrate the sealants, it will find it. When inspecting the sealants on your RV roof, look closely for any cracks or separation in the old sealant where water could penetrate the surface. Prior to touching up any of the sealants, thoroughly clean the old sealant and the surrounding roof surface with Dicor roof cleaner. It's important the area is clean so the sealant can adhere properly. Allow enough time for the surface to dry and then wipe the area with a cloth dampened with denatured alcohol as a final preparation before applying any sealant. Do not pour the denatured alcohol directly on the roof or the sealant. If the old sealant you are touching up has lifted or separated from the surface of the roof and can easily be removed, remove it. Otherwise, it's best to leave it alone and seal over the old sealant. To touch up or reseal surfaces that are fairly level with the roof surface, like roof vents, roof caps, and trim strips, use Dicor self-leveling lap sealant. It is compatible with EPDM and most TPO sheeting. It adheres firmly to aluminum, vinyl, galvanized metal, and fiberglass. To touch up or reseal uneven or raised surfaces, like around the TV antenna or skylight, you should use Dicor's non-sag lap sealant. Using a standard caulking gun and the proper type of Dicor sealant, run a bead of caulk over the area you are touching up. If you are sealing a crack or separation in the old sealant, you don't need to apply as much sealant as you would for a new application. Well, there you have it. Touching up the sealants on your RV roof is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and it can add years of trouble-free service to your RV roof. To learn more about cleaning and maintaining your RV roof, take a minute to visit www.dicor.com and be sure to check out all of Rudy's RV care and maintenance videos too.